Don't dada to the line. Don't dada to the line. Don't dada.
See my producer, correct guy.
Don Dada.
Oh boy, bros, I greet you, bro.
Yo, see my guy. Don Dada, my man.
Hey, bros, as you dey see me like this today, I come with one mad jam for you, bro.
No be lie, no be lie.
Very mad jam wey be say, bro, as I dey drop am, everywhere they go hear the matter. See this guy, say.
Correct guy. Bros, you the hot to Don Dada, you the hot to. You no gree for this music matter.
But you know me now, I didn't came here to sit down look, bro. I didn't came here for that, bro. I came here for the music industries, bro.
Na true sha. Based on the way boys dey hot.
Now hot cake, it doesn't stop there. I will continue to do one.
Oh my God.
You say wetin?
I'll continue to do one.
Jesus!
Don't dada to the line. Don't dada.
Wait there. As you watch that video, you know like you know like oh yeah, click the like button, the thumbs up, comment and share. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Correct guy. Don Dada say so.
Don't dada to the line. Don't dada.